Yo, 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 yo. LashawnTerry gang. I'm here with a double mukbang. Today, um, the missing Toof, Toof, mukbanger, he came up with his own challenge of wear your favorite hat in your favorite place. I'm in my room. Y'all know I normally film my mukbangs in my office, but I don't feel like being down there. And This is my favorite place, and this is one of my favorite hats. And if y'all like this hat, this is handmade by a young black lady. Her name is Caheez, Caheez, and she is on Instagram. Now, if you're interested in hats, she do all types of hats. This is just the page boy hat. The inside of the hat is lined with a leopard print satin material. A lot of the natural hair girls, that's all we use on our hair is like satin material because it doesn't dry out the hair and break the hair like cotton will do. So all of her caps are satin lined. Mine's is satin lined with the leopard print. Again, she hand makes all of these. You can get them, I think, in three or four different sizes. And I got, I don't know, I've had this hat for years. Red is my favorite color. Red is also my son's high school colors, red, white, and black. And my oldest son as well went to the same high school. So when it would start to get cool outside and my hair was looking a mess, I would throw my hat on. But my hair is kind of filling it out now because I'm locked and it's more thicker. When I was loose natural, I always wore my hair pinned up, so this hat would be like huge on me. But all of this is my locks. But I have on my dread sock under here. But yeah, so it don't look so big and baggy and goofy no more like it did before. But actually, I loved it. And again, if you want to order from her, she is on Instagram. But people love her hats, and it takes her, I think, anywhere from 4 to 6 weeks, and depending on where you fall in line at. So I ordered from her when I got this years ago, and it took her about 6 weeks. I probably got it in like December, November, December, somewhere in there, and I think I ordered in like September, maybe end of September. I'm not sure, but she do state how long it's going to take her, and it depends on where you fall in line at because people be ordering like crazy, getting ready for the winter months. So that's that. So go check her out. Caheez, Caheez. Very nice young lady, very professional, and her work is outstanding. She hand makes every one of her hats herself. So, and you can see the details in my hat, and you can pick your size that you want. I think she has 3 or 4 different sizes. I'm not sure. I haven't been on her site in years. So, anywho, I'm doing the missing tooth mukbangers. Wear your favorite hat in your favorite place. Shout out to Coors. What's up, Coors, with that sponsorship? I got Chick-fil-A's sweet iced tea with extra ice. And the double mukbang is I have Chick-fil-A macaroni and cheese, and I have Popeyes macaroni and cheese. And I got my chicken here, and then I got some red beans and rice from Popeyes. So we're gonna get into this since ain't nobody got no more chicken sandwiches, which them chicken sandwiches been out at Popeyes here over a month. I don't know why people went all crazy for them. And I actually did a battle of the chicken sandwiches about 3 weeks before this whole thing even took off. Just comparing chicken sandwiches. But anywho, we're gonna do this battle of the macaroni and cheese from Popeyes and Chick-fil-A. Hopefully this don't run out too, but I don't blow up like that. It's not hot like when they gave it to me. But it's good. It's good. It looked like the textures. You see this texture on this is a little more smooth and creamy. Where this, it looks like they use, I don't know. It's not as smooth and creamy. I'm always spilling something out. But it tastes like the cheese kind of, this got a little cold. And I'm loving my camera, oh my gosh, on this Note 10 Plus 5G. The 5 Gangster, as Flossie would call it. Don't spill. Popeyes is a little bit more, I don't know, it tastes like it got that Velveeta cheese in the bag type of instant macaroni taste. Where Popeyes may have a little bit more made with real cheese type of taste. Kind of like similar to what you would get at home, not as good as you would do at home for some, maybe for other people, but not me. But I do way better than this. But it's good. Ain't nothing to write home about. But I would go with the Chick-fil-A over the Popeyes macaroni and cheese. That's my take. So let me let y'all look at it again without spilling stuff all over the place. Hopefully it's catching so y'all can see the texture. Here it goes. And it's decent, it's good. And you see, this look like something you just buy out the box. You know that those boxes of macaroni, instant macaroni and cheese. Well, this ones look like they put a little bit more effort into it at Popeyes. So I'm not gonna be on here long. I just wanted to do this, start another war with Chick-fil-A and Popeyes. I love Popeyes chicken. And guess what, y'all? Figured out how to do a mukbang where y'all can see my face and my food. Woo, woo. But I just want to share with y'all for a couple of minutes. I'm not going to make this video too long. We be in these growth streams a lot. And they talk about in the growth streams growing the right way. And it's very important to grow the right way. And what they mean by growing the right way is if you go to somebody's YouTube channel, you like what they see, what you see, or what they're doing, you subscribe, you go to a video. It could be a short video for that time, because most likely when you go to that person's page, you are in the comments of a live stream, and you kind of want to hear that live stream opposed to trying to listen to 2 videos or 3 videos or whoever you subscribing to. So you go to a short video. I have a number of short videos. My my walking videos, where basically I'm just showing you my sneakers on feet and I'm just walking and kind of just do a little scan while I'm walking. Those videos are like 30 seconds or less, pretty much. So you can just go to whatever the shortest video is that you see on a channel, um, give it a thumbs up, and leave a genuine comment like, nice shoes. Just as simple as that. Because what's happening is that if you're not connecting the right way, YouTube will take back the sub if you don't comment on the channel. They just doing some crazy stuff. Maybe they think you getting too many views, or too many subscribers that may be trolls or may not be real accounts. So what they do is they end up taking the sub back. Your numbers drop down. That's why you see everybody's numbers going up and down and sideways. The number is not really the true number probably until the next day. Today I literally seen YouTube, or maybe it was the person, because I do hear of people saying that they go and subscribe and then take the sub back. They go and unsubscribe to you, which is crazy because nobody's gonna, we all in a live stream. Sometimes I'm in 2-3 live streams at one time, and I'm also checking my comments, for people who have subscribed to me and left me a comment, opposed to waiting to the end of the night. And I got all of these comments that I got to answer to, because I do comment, I do reply back to everybody who leave me a comment on my videos. So that is something that I think is important, and it lets the person know that you appreciate them coming and subscribing to your channel or watching a video, even if it's for 20 seconds or a minute. So I'm all over the place, and sometimes I like to watch a video or look at a little bit of it, and then I will mute another video that I was in, or a live that I'm in, to kind of look at your video and see, what you're talking about, so I can leave a comment. And then sometimes I'll wait until I'm done networking, I'm done in lives. I will go through to see what comments that have popped up in my analytics, answer those while I'm listening to your video, or and I may go over there and maybe run like 3 videos, watch 3 videos and leave a comment on it. But my thing is that if you don't like my content, you don't have to subscribe. If you see 1 or 2 videos that you may like, but the rest of it that you don't like what I'm talking about, you can just watch my video and leave me a comment. You don't have to subscribe, because that's not doing me no good. I need views. I don't necessarily need subscribers. I'm at over 2,000 subscribers, so I only want you to come if you like my stuff. Because what's going to happen is you're going to have all of these people that you're following, and at some point you got to purge, because you're just not following them. They're not showing up in your feed anymore, because you're not watching their content. You're not watching their channel. I do like to help people who do need subs, and I'll say, I could come over here, once a week or something, and watch one of their videos. I do like some of the stuff that they're doing. So that's my thing. If you don't like what the person is doing, don't sub. You don't have to. It's just a waste, because especially if you don't leave a comment on the video, YouTube is just going to take it back. They're going to drop your sub to them, and it's not doing them any good. That's why you see people saying, my numbers dropped by 5, my numbers dropped by 20, because people would just go subscribe and leave. You don't leave a comment on the video. And then some people are subscribing and then unsubscribing, I guess, when the person may not get back to them as quick as they want to, or, oh, I just subbed to her, why she ain't come back and sub to me? I got like 30 people that sub to me in one day. You know, I can't hit everybody back at the same time. I like to take my time. So that's another thing. If I don't get to you right then and there, I will get to you. I have a lot of people that sub to me and leave comments on my videos. And so when I'm answering their comment at the end of the night, I'll go and click over on their channel and watch a video or two or three of theirs, leave a genuine comment so it won't go to spam. I try not to anyway. Um, and we go from there. You know what I'm saying? So if you sub to me and you got a channel, I will get back to you. Just give me a minute. Give me a minute. I'm all over the place. People know me in all of these live streams. You know what I'm saying? I get so many subs. I want to say in the last 28 days, I've gotten over 600 subscribers. That's a lot of subscribers, and a lot of these people, I believe, have channels. So this is going on 60 minutes. I don't want to make it too long, but yo, Toof, my favorite hat. While I'm eating something, Chick-fil-A. Also, you got the battle of the macaroni and cheeses. Chick-fil-A, Popeyes. Let's get it going. And I ain't gonna tag nobody because it seems like the people I tag don't do the challenge or the mukbang. So if you want to do the challenge, you want to do the mukbang, go ahead and do it. I don't think Popeyes or Chick-fil-A is gonna run out of macaroni and cheese. Let's do it. Let's grow. And let's grow the right way. Give me that thumbs up. Peace.